Alright, I'm pulling it and there's no washer fluid. I'm pulling it and there's no washer fluid, guys. No washer fluid. But the wipers work, so it's not a fuse. So we got a pump problem. How many miles we got here? 248,362. Piece of junk. Don't ever sell your Jeep Wrangler. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Treco spray washer pump. 11-528. Got it at O'Reilly. Alright, there's the washer fluid. As you can see, it's full. And the pump, it's seen better days, but I got a replacement pump. So first thing we need to do is take this out. To do that, we got a 3/8 inch socket. We'll get through this. There we go. Loosen her up. Here's the other one hiding over here. Gotta loosen it up. Get that one out. Now it looks like you don't even have to take the tank out, but I'm taking it out because I just filled it up because I thought, oh, it must be low. So I'm trying to avoid refilling this guy. So let us continue taking it out. The last one is like way down there. Why do they do that? You know what? Screw it. They put that bolt in the worst possible space. I'm not gonna tinker with my socket wrench to try and get that bolt out, so let's just dump this fluid all over the floor. Have you guys ever seen the podcast Piper's Pit on SoundCloud? Well, time to unplug the pump. The tubing line looks okay, so I'm not going to mess with that. I'm just going to make a big mess because they put a bolt in a very hard to reach spot. Maybe. No, I'm not left-handed. Alright, let's make a mess. Pull that sucker out. There we go. Yeah, it's splashing on my feet. There goes $7 down the drain. We're waiting for this to empty. This video is sponsored by Piper's Pit. Check out the link below and support Rowdy Roddy Piper, one of the greatest wrestlers of all time and one of the best podcasts on the internet today. See the link below. Check it out. My goodness. Where have you been? You need to check it out. Alright, looks like it's about empty. So let's just replace this pump like this. I'm showing you both ways. You get both ways covered here, guys. Alright. Close up. This one is the fluid. Oh my gosh, I gotta cut my nails. This one right here is the fluid. Let's pull it out. Pull out the tube with your flawless fingernails. Man, that's really in there, guys. It's not. Got it. That was not easy. Now we disconnect the electrical. Now that it's all wet. Pull this up. I'm going to pull this black piece up. It seems to be connected there. Get it. Got it. Alright. So this is the old pump. This is the new one. Let's see if it works. So here's the new pump. And it came with this piece, which is just the electrical. So this, you should be able to, you're gonna figure this out. Just plug in the electrical piece. Why am I even showing you this? And this is where the rubber hose is gonna go. This goes to the electrical. This end goes inside the tank. And they gave us a new rubber. Put it inside the tank. Alright, let's take out the old rubber. Get out. I don't want that to go in there. There you go. You stick your finger in and just yank it out. I do. Put in the new rubber. And it goes on directly on the tank. Got it. Nice. Stick the white part in. Probably should have screwed the other screws back in, but alright, I'm gonna reattach. Let me reattach all this stuff. I had a Hot Rod shirt, I can't find it. I think I must have stained it or something, but it was awesome. You can get Rowdy Roddy Piper merch at his website, rowdyroddypiper.com. See the link below. Alright? Support the man, support his family. Alright? Best wrestlers deserve our support. Okay, I put the pump in. It feels a little loose, to be honest, but gently tugging, gently pushing doesn't do anything, and it's all plugged in, so let's add some fluid, see if it works. Filled it up past the pump, no leaks. Let's test it out. Here we go. Don't spray. Yeah, oh man! Shot out like a cannon, my goodness. Job well done, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your summer. Peace. This pump only lasts for 19 years. Respect. Respect. Have a good one, guys. See ya.